I'm back in this piece. PigglesDiGaijin survival tips for Japan. Piggles. The Gaijin, nigga. She wanna dance. Baby, make it money, make it. Just sing wanna dance. People wanna see me in messy room, wanna dance. Yeah, my room's messy because I live in here and I work, so that's what's messy. Anyway, so this is episode 1, the official episode. So in Japan, cash-based society, always have your cash. That's that simple. ATMs are closed at some banks, and then after I think 5 o'clock there is an extra charge, and then if it's not your bank, you're going to be charged double. It's called like a commission. So make sure you always have that moolah, baby. So just drawing off on holidays too. Some ATMs are closed totally. So like Christmas, like the banks are closed, so you need to draw enough money for like a week or so, or a couple of days. So make sure you do that out. Also, what else? I don't know. I wasn't going to edit this. It's supposed to be like raw and live. Oh yeah. Also about the people on a whole, most of them are very helpful. Don't worry, they're good people. But some, like today, I was walking, and this woman just take a side step like, "Oh nigga, I ain't gonna see you." Shh, swerve, nigga. I'm like, damn. Oh, also, the thing. If, oh god, it's gonna be alright. This is gonna be a little longer, like 2 minutes, maybe 3 minutes this time. Okay, so remember, if you're coming to Japan and you're a bit particular about what you eat, carry your food. I'm sweating because it's hot. Carry. Where's the camera? Yeah. Yes, sir? Carry your bloody food. You hear me? Carry it, because if you don't carry food, bruh, listen, for the first couple of weeks you're gonna be like queasy and ish. So carry your food. But there's food here for persons who love fried food. Cool nation, nigga. Cool niggas. Yeah, sorry, cool persons. People love fried food. You're okay. There's lots of fried stuff. Lots of rice for those who love rice. So yeah. That's PigglesDiGaijin survival tip episode 1. A real episode. Crap, I always go over my time. But anyways, I love y'all. I'll be at the YouTubers link meetup on September 6th, so I'll see you all there. Yeah, done. Bye bye. Oh, if you want to freak out people, just smile like this. Susan, out.